Hey guys, Chris Fix here, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of fuel injectors. These little devices play a critical role in how your engine performs. They may seem like tiny parts, but they have a huge job. They're responsible for delivering fuel to your engine with incredible precision. They spray a precise mist of fuel, atomizing it for optimal combustion. This fuel is injected directly into your engine's cylinders, where it mixes with air and ignites. When everything is working correctly, this process keeps your car running smoothly and efficiently. But when they fail, or even start to degrade, you get rough running, which can be quite noticeable. You'll also experience poor performance, especially during acceleration. Ignoring these issues can lead to more significant damage and potentially a big repair bill. Think of injectors as the heart of your engine's fuel system. They're absolutely vital for proper operation. If they're off, or not performing optimally, everything's off. The entire engine suffers. Even a little dirt or debris or an electrical glitch in the injector's wiring can mess up the spray pattern, disrupting the fuel-air mixture. This can lead to serious engine problems and reduced fuel economy. The good news? There's hope. Your car usually gives you warning signs that something is amiss before injectors completely fail, leaving you stranded. Unfortunately, most people mistake these symptoms for something else entirely. They often misdiagnose the issue, attributing it to other problems. This leads to unnecessary repairs, wasting time and money on the wrong solutions. Understanding injectors and their common issues can save you a ton of frustration and prevent costly mistakes. Modern engines, with their advanced fuel management systems, are even more sensitive to injector health. So, whether you drive a classic car or a brand new model, this matters for everyone. Paying attention to your injectors and performing regular maintenance is key to avoiding costly repairs down the road and keeping your car running its best. So let's dive in, get our hands dirty, and learn how to spot and fix common injector problems before they turn into major headaches. How do you know if you have a bad fuel injector? Fuel injectors are a critical component of your engine, responsible for delivering the precise amount of fuel needed for optimal combustion. When they start to fail, it can lead to a variety of performance issues. First, watch for engine misfires or a rough idle. This is often one of the first signs that something is amiss with your fuel injectors. You'll feel shuddering or vibrations, especially at stoplights. The engine might struggle to maintain a smooth and consistent RPM, causing noticeable shaking. Next, notice any loss of power or sluggish acceleration. Does your car feel like it's struggling to get up to speed? Your engine's being starved of fuel. A faulty injector might not be delivering enough fuel to the cylinders, hindering performance. A sudden drop in fuel economy is another big clue, especially if you smell raw fuel. This could indicate a leak in the fuel system, often stemming from a damaged or improperly sealed injector. Diesel owners' black smoke from the exhaust means too much fuel or poor atomization. This is a telltale sign of incomplete combustion due to malfunctioning injectors. Finally, hard starting or a no-start condition can mean injectors are clogged or leaking. A completely blocked injector will prevent fuel from reaching the cylinder, while a leaking one can flood the engine. If your engine cranks but won't catch, injectors could be the culprit. It's a common issue that can leave you stranded. These symptoms are your car's way of asking for help. Don't ignore them. Acting early can save you from bigger problems. Addressing fuel injector issues promptly can prevent damage to other engine components. Track your mileage and pay attention to changes in performance. Keeping a close eye on these metrics can help you identify potential problems early on. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to check your injectors. A professional mechanic can diagnose the issue and recommend the appropriate solution. Diagnosing early keeps you on the road and out of the shop. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to keeping your car running smoothly. Let's look at what causes injectors to fail. Understanding the root causes can help you prevent future issues. The main culprit? Dirty or contaminated fuel. Tiny particles in water can sneak past your fuel filter and clog the injector's nozzle. Poor quality fuel without detergents leads to carbon buildup and blockages. Always use top-tier fuel to help prevent this. Electrical issues are another cause. Worn wires or connectors can disrupt injector signals. Over time, injectors simply wear out from millions of cycles, and seals can become brittle. High-mileage cars are especially at risk. Regular maintenance and good fuel are your best defense. Now let's see what happens if you ignore injector problems. Ignoring a bad injector can destroy your engine. Leaking injectors wash away oil, causing metal-on-metal wear and loss of compression. Worst case, hydrolock. Liquid fuel fills a cylinder, bending rods or cracking the block. Turbocharged engines are at even higher risk. Bad injectors can overheat and destroy turbos. Unburnt fuel can also ruin your catalytic converter and oxygen sensors, leading to expensive repairs. What starts as a small injector issue can snowball into a multi-thousand-dollar disaster. Don't let a simple fix turn into a major rebuild. Here's how to solve and prevent injector problems. Is your car's performance not quite what it used to be? Experiencing rough idling or decreased fuel economy? Suspect an injector problem? Start with a high-quality fuel injector cleaner. These cleaners are designed to dissolve deposits that can clog injectors and impede their performance. Look for PEA or polyethylamine on the label. It's a key ingredient known for its effectiveness. Add it to a full tank for light clogs or as regular maintenance. This can often clear up minor issues and keep your fuel system running smoothly. Regular use can also prevent future buildup. If that doesn't work and the problem persists, it's time to get a professional cleaning. Ultrasonic machines can restore flow and spray pattern. This process involves removing the injectors and cleaning them in a specialized machine that uses sound waves to break down stubborn deposits. For severe clogs or electrical failures, where cleaning isn't enough, replacement is the only option. Replace O-rings and seals too. These small components are crucial for proper sealing and preventing leaks. Prevent problems by using quality fuel, changing your fuel filter on schedule, and running periodic diagnostics. Regular checkups can identify potential issues before they become major problems. A code reader can help pinpoint which injector is acting up. It provides valuable information about the health of your engine. Stay proactive. Regular checks keep your engine healthy and save you money in the long run. Don't ignore warning signs. Act early to avoid big repairs. Addressing issues promptly can prevent further damage. With a little knowledge and maintenance, you can keep your car running strong and efficiently for years to come. You've got this. Take care of your injectors, and they'll take care of you, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride.